Here we have a ground floor flat conversion of a Victorian terraced house. The vents look good to the front. To the back we can see that there's a slope downward, so the chance of rising damp is minimal, but to the back we see that the vents have been blocked up. Inside we see dampness between the back section of the corridor and the bathroom. Downstairs we can see evidence that the damp has been hidden by membranes. There's very high humidity, 85% humidity. Condensing water, there's a snail. We can see water is slowly moving across the floor from back to front. Fortunately, the upstairs neighbour flushed the toilet about 3 hours into the survey. From that we could find out what the cause of the dampness was. It was a broken soil pipe under the back wall. Very odd, and clearly something to do with the conversion, since the ground floor toilet does not go through the same soil pipe. Under the subfloor you can see the timber's been replaced, probably caused by past dry rot, but it's the humidity that's causing the dampness, humidity from the leaking pipe. Looking on the outside, there's a lot of damp issues. There was an outside room that the plaster hasn't been taken down, so it'll absorb moisture through the wall. We put a CCTV down the pipe. Apparently the gutters have been replaced recently. There was a pipe that was continuously pouring water from upstairs, probably a litre of water a minute. Overall it's a good looking property, so it's a real shame that it's been damaged by a soil pipe. Another crime against property. We really appreciate any subscription, particularly to the video channel. There are a constant stream of videos coming out, all of which will benefit any homeowner. Thank you.